Okay, so in this video we will add a read time indicator inside our post, similar to like Medium. Here you can see this is a read time indicator of a post. So we are going to implement this inside a Payload CMS. So let me show you how you can implement that. Let's create a field here. Name, read time, time will be number. The reason we are setting numbers so that later on the front end we can use this to filter those article having this much read time, X, Y, and Z read time. And inside the admin, since this will be auto-generated whenever we add a new post, so we will make it read time only true. This need to be generated automatically every time we add a new post. Let's see whether the field has been added correctly or not. So inside admin panel, we can see that we have successfully added read time field. So this is the field. Right now we have not added any logic here to calculate the read time automatically whenever a post get added. One more thing I want to tell you that if you get any error here, that is mainly a runtime error. So just quit your server and rerun it again. So the error will get fixed automatically. Nothing to worry about. Okay, so let's add the logic for reading. First, you have to import convert lexical to plain text from the payload CMS. Import convert lexical to plain text. I guess I believe this one no. So you need to import convert lexical to plain text from rich text lexical plain text from the payload CMS. So now we will add our logic inside a hook. So hook is the perfect place to perform this kind of logic. So we will create a hook is for change, and it is an array. So take an callback function. And you can also write your callback function in a separate file and import it. I'm going to write this callback function there only. Sync data. Then you say if data dot content available, then we will say convert this data content lengths. Then we will say converse input text dot ring to remove those spaces. We don't want to calculate the spaces. Actually, I'm going to just paste this regular expression. Okay. And we say converse which is 2 to 5. This is the number that I have found on the internet. So you will just Google it, you will find that number. And we say data dot read time. This is the our main. This is our field that we just created read time, and we are trying to update here with dot c divided by words unit. This should be, and after that, don't forget to return this data. Alright, we are done. Let's save and recompile. Now it's time to check whether our logic is working or not. So let's check it. Let me refresh it quickly. Just edit any part of the article, example, go to this, string of this, yeah, return sheet. Okay, so the read time has been updated. Now you can display this read time inside your front end on your front end application. For example, here on these cards, or if you just open it on below this author or anywhere, whichever place you like. Let me show you quickly as well how you can add that. Go to the front end, just is here. Right now I'm going to display just below the author, or where we have displayed our categories, right? So later you can change, or wherever you like you can display this. I'm just giving you the example. Say read like this. Oh yeah, we are getting. Okay, so this is how you can use it. Okay, thanks.